1973 Porsche 914 2.0. Price: $14,750. Location: Florida. The 1973 Porsche 914 2.0 represents a fascinating blend of engineering precision and minimalist design, capturing a unique era in sports car history. Finished in Alaska blue metallic, this car immediately stands out with its clean lines and low, wide stance. The color pairs beautifully with the black interior, emphasizing the car's sporty yet understated personality. Its mid-engine layout not only defines its appearance but also delivers exceptional balance on the road. At the heart of this 914 is a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine equipped with fuel injection, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This setup offers a pure and engaging driving experience, where control and responsiveness take center stage. Unlike high-horsepower muscle cars, the 914 thrives on agility and precision, making it a favorite among drivers who appreciate handling and connection with the road. One of the standout features of this model is its practicality combined with performance. It comes equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, and both front and rear storage compartments, something rarely found in sports cars of its class. The 15-inch alloy wheels, fitted with BF Goodrich tires, enhance both its look and road grip, while chrome accents add a touch of classic elegance. The removable Targa top is another highlight, giving drivers the freedom to switch between a closed cabin and an open-air driving experience, whether cruising along coastal roads or navigating city streets. This feature adds versatility and enjoyment to every journey. The inclusion of a full-size spare tire in the front trunk further reflects the thoughtful design behind this compact sports car. Inside, the cabin is simple, functional, and entirely driver-focused. It features VDO instrumentation, dual bucket seats, and a classic 3-spoke steering wheel that delivers a direct and connected feel. Manual windows, a center console, and original factory touches maintain the authenticity of the driving experience, reminding you that this car was built for pure driving pleasure rather than luxury. As the top-tier variant of the 914 lineup, the 2.0 model is particularly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. Its improved performance, combined with a lightweight chassis, creates a driving character that remains enjoyable even decades later. This example is offered as a running and driving project, meaning it still requires some work to reach its full potential. However, for the right buyer, it presents an exciting opportunity to restore and own a truly iconic piece of automotive history.